Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. What I got going on today is a very special drink that it took me a long time to figure out. Well, by figure it out, find a recipe on the internet, right? So back in the days I was in the Navy. We were at Incirlik Air Base in Turkey, and the E-Club, enlisted club, used to make a drink called Hawaiian Punch that tastes exactly like a Hawaiian Punch. So, for many years, one thing I did know about it is it had Southern Comfort in it, right? And so, one thing I did remember was the SoCo. So, when I found the drink on the internet, it had SoCo, and I thought, oh, bam, that got to be it. And I've made it a few times, and it tastes just like a Hawaiian Punch. It's crazy. But anyway, we're going to start off first with an ounce of vodka of your choice. Next, we're going to go with an ounce of Southern Comfort, if it doesn't spill out. Next, an ounce of amaretto. And this is kind of where the Hawaiian taste actually comes from. Hawaiian Punch taste. We're going to go with 2 ounces of orange juice. This is something I got from Fresh Mark. Some blood orange juice. Pretty tasty. But you use regular. You don't got to use blood orange juice. All right. Next, we're going to go 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Last, well, not last, we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of some grenadine. Get that good red color. Squeeze 1 lime wedge. And squeeze 1 lemon wedge. Give this a good stir. We're going to pour it over ice anyway. So I'm not adding ice right now. I just want to give it a good stir. Get those ingredients mixed up really well. And there you have it. Hawaiian Punch cocktail. Cheers. You have to make this to believe it, right? It tastes exactly like Hawaiian Punch. It really does. Wow. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, guys. Cheers.